Hello and welcome. In the continuous improvement body of knowledge, there are many problem-solving methods we can choose from. Examples include A3 thinking, practical problem solving, Kepner-Trago, 8D, Kaizen events, Six Sigma DMAIC, and the PDCA cycle. These share many common tools and thought processes, but are adapted to different use cases. However, sometimes we just need a quick, simple problem-solving method that everyone can understand and start using right away. Fortunately, for this purpose, we have the 3C approach. The 3 C's stand for concern, cause, and countermeasure. The 3C problem-solving approach is used by either natural work teams or project teams to highlight issues and concerns specific to their work. For teams that work face-to-face, it's common to display the 3C form within a team board or team communication area. Virtual teams with members working from multiple locations often use a digital 3C file to document and address their concerns. Let's review some key points for effectively using the 3C approach to highlight concerns, identify causes, and take action on countermeasures. First, team members should clearly understand when to use the 3C to highlight an issue and when not to use the 3C to document a problem. For example, if a machine operator experiences a breakdown at their machine, is this a concern that should be reported on the 3C form or not? That answer is that in general. The concerns we add to the 3C board must not be items of high urgency or high risk. If the concern is an active health and safety hazard, or if there is harm to the product, equipment, or a risk to customer delivery, we must use the appropriate escalation mechanisms to rapidly contain the problem. In fact, it's common for items on the 3C to not yet be active problems. They may be issues or concerns that team members are monitoring. Ideally, we use 3C to catch potential issues before they become problems. Second, it's important to incorporate 3C into an organization's daily accountability process. This means that when a team struggles to find the causes or to identify and implement countermeasures within a given time frame, they escalate the issue. In other words, when despite our best efforts, we can't adequately address an issue at our own level, this becomes a concern on the 3C board of the next level up in our organization. The third key is that we shouldn't fall into the trap of trying to solve every problem with the 3C approach. Although 3C problem solving is quick, simple, and flexible, it's not an adequate approach for some types of problems. For example, the Six Sigma DMAIC approach is more appropriate for addressing large problems with complex root causes that require sophisticated statistical analysis by a project team. The Kaizen event is an excellent choice for rapidly making and testing many changes to a process in a short period of time. The 8D approach is a must when it's a customer requirement for addressing significant quality problems in a standardized way. The 3C approach is a great way to get started with day-to-day problem solving, become familiar with terminology, tools, and methods, and build comfort with openly discussing problems. As we identify more challenging or complex issues through this process, it's important to study and adopt more sophisticated problem-solving methods step by step. That wraps up our review of the simple but effective 3C problem-solving method. We'll see you soon.